everyone, I'm Lene. Welcome to my channel, Fashionably 50 Something and Beyond. What I am doing today is cleaning and decorating. I am taking down the St. Patrick's Day items and I'm going to decorate my living room for spring. So I wanted to take you along. Here is my succulent garden. I have it in front of the fireplace, but I think I am going to take that and I'm going to move it over there by the windows because I took down the Christmas tree. I decorated my Christmas tree for St. Patrick's Day, but I have taken it down and I am going to switch this room around a little bit, and then I'll bring you back periodically to show you each stage. Now what I'm doing is steam cleaning the floors, and I'm actually going to do the whole downstairs with my steam cleaner. And I put on a clean mop pad, so we'll check it out when I'm done and see what it looks like. I am also using this steam cleaner on the hardwood floors. It is safe to do so, and it's going to pick up all that grime that gets collected here at the front door. Here we are in the living room, steam cleaning the floor, and I tell you, it does feel a lot cleaner. When you steam clean, it feels so good, nice and clean. Now I'm going to change out the doily on my coffee table, and what I did was I ironed up this piece of burlap. I think it's really cute. It's actually from the Dollar Tree, and I am just going to use that as my doily, and I'm going to set down my little tray here, and I think that looks really cute. I'll just cut off the frayed ends, and it really does brighten it up. A great use of the fabric from Dollar Tree. Now that we've added the finishing touches, let's take a look around this room. Here is the succulent garden, getting lots of sunlight. I added some bunnies, and we have our mushroom houses and all of our plants. And down below we have a bunny cake plate there. I just thought it looked cute under there, and some watering cans. My grandfather built me this bench. I was up visiting my parents and grandparents one summer, and I said, Grandpa, can you build me a bench? And when I went down to see him before I was going to leave, this bench was sitting on the porch. So he made the bench, I tiled the top. I ordered some broken terracotta tile from Amazon, and I tiled it with grout. And I think it turned out pretty cute. This table here was made by my dad when he was in the 8th grade, and I tiled that as well. With just some I bought some tile at, I think it was Lowe's, and I broke it up with a hammer and just tiled the top of each shelf. Here is my vignette on my coffee table. Like I mentioned before, this is just a scrap of burlap from Dollar Tree. And then we have our little bunny tail, like our bunny is hiding inside of our fern. We have a bowl of eggs nestled in there and a bunny rabbit. And we have some little wicker hearts and a Hello Spring sign. I think that turned out rather cute. And here we have my other end table. I bought this bunny vase at Dollarama while I was in Canada. And you probably recognize the other pieces from Dollar Tree. So very cute there. And now we'll make our way over to the hearth. And here we have, that bunny rabbit there is from TJ Maxx, and the gray one is from Target. Back, I'd say a good 4 years ago, Target had some really nice Easter pieces in their dollar spot. Like that bunny was $3. I also got a lot of other cute Easter decor from Target during that year. I made this garland. I love carrots, so I wanted to have a carrot theme. And in place of the succulent garden, I placed this basket with blankets and a little bunny, and we have a little basket of flowers. And then we have my little tree here from Temu. And I didn't use gnomes this year, but I did use these gnomes because I just think they are so cute. And they are from Temu. I got all four for, I don't know, $1.93 or something like that. So I just thought they were really cute. So there we have the fireplace. And I will pan around again to the rest of the living room. Thank you so much for joining me today for cleaning and decorating my living room. I want to let you know that I was inspired to do this by Leslie at the Little Yellow Cottage. So check out her channel. She does just super fantastic decorating. It's so simple and so cute. So check out her channel, The Little Yellow Cottage, and check out her decorating styles. Thank you so much for joining me, everyone. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye.